Alright, so I'm Amber Woods and this is my bike check. I ride a 20.7 top tube Total BMX Kilo B. I have a Total BMX Rock and Roll sprocket with a Shadow Conspiracy half-link chain and profile GDH light cranks in 160. I have premium slim pedals. I have a premium saddle peg in the back. I ride a Profile Elite hub with titanium spokes to a Flybikes Classic rim with a fit FAF night vision tire. I have a Demolition Market seat with an animal green pivotal post, which totally doesn't match. I have a Colony top load stem with a Fiend stack headset. And then I ride Rob Weiss's signature Demolition Elite forks with a profile front hub. It's the Elite with titanium spokes to the Flybikes Classic rim and another fit FAF night vision. And I ride the Colony 24/7 bars with ODI grips. And I have a Sub Rosa bottom bracket in chrome. And this is what the Elite hub sounds like. And that's my bike check. Oh!